Hello everybody, this is Robert from Hot Biotech Stocks, and today I've picked another company which I think has a great story behind it, good product and nice chart setup, which makes it a great candidate for a trade this week. And the company is Adamas. So if you want to hear more about Adamas and how you should trade it, please keep watching. So in order to explain more of the company, I have to bring the 1 year chart, and as I go through the chart, I can tell you what the company is about. So the company has the only approved product for dyskinesia in Parkinson's patients. So you know this uncontrolled movement, and Adamas has the only product that is approved for controlling that movement. So the NDA got approved. You see the big bump here in end of August, and the stock after the NDA approval went all the way to 40, and for good reasons. I mean, this market is huge. A lot of people with Parkinson that need this drug, so the rise in the stock price was justified. But as always with any company who is launching their first product, market started to worry. I'm going to take the 3 months about whether they need cash to commercialize the product and whether they could do a good line. So the stock pulled back from like a top of 43 all the way down to $33, which is like 20% drop. But what caught my eye and why I decided to look into this company was this big drop on February 20th. And the big drop was because of the news that another privately held company had a similar product approved, similar meaning same formulation, same active substance, but not for the same use, not for the same indication. So the market got worried that this privately held company might be able to compete with Adamas and maybe take market share, which is ridiculous. I mean, if I bring my blog here, I've explained all of this. If you go to my blog, which is hotbiotechstocks.com, if you go to stock analysis articles, and if you go to the Adamas article, here I've explained why I think the market overreacted this to the competition or this other company's product, which is Osmolex. And because Osmolex is not approved for the same indication, what it means is that they cannot promote their product for the same use as Adamas. And if they do, FDA will go after them, the Adamas lawyers will go after them. So they have to do off-label promotion, which is very difficult to do. So that's why I think that market totally overreacted to Adamas's or the privately held company's approval. So it makes it perfect time to get in. And here we can go look at Adamas's price target for analysts, and you see the price target starts the last 6 months from $40 to $55. So even though they take the $40, that's like 50% more than the current price. So let's go back to the chart again, and I'm going to explain how you should trade it. I actually get into this. I was looking at the stock on Friday. I'm going to go to the 7-day. 5 minutes. I was looking at on Friday. I actually got into the stock around 24.80. Today is up like 6%. So maybe you have to wait. I mean, it's going to hit the resistance here. It's going to push back again. So it's going to push down again around maybe 25. Then I would get into the stock. And if it goes below 24, I would get out. So $1 downside with maybe $15 upside. And what I think will happen is that if you look at the 3 months, maybe it's going to come back here at 25 as I go all the way to around this area, around 31, 32. If it has 31, 32, I will take off the profit. This is very risk-free, hassle-free profit you can make in the coming 4 to 8 weeks. Because what I think is going to happen is going to go all the way to 32. It's going to come back again here, and we can jump in again. It's going to go all the way to 40. So if you can do what I'm thinking, in these YouTube channels, this is the stocks I'm thinking, and this is like pitfall-free biotech stocks. Because if you can avoid the pitfalls in the biotech stocks, you can make a lot of money. And with pitfalls, I mean bad clinical data, secondary offering, or a competition, clinical data. If you can avoid all of that, biotech stocks move a lot, and you can make very easy money if you know what companies to get in and how to get in. And this is the whole goal of my YouTube channel and my service. So again, if it goes from 25 to $31, that's 25%. And if you can make 25% every 6 weeks, you can make 150% per year. You can 3-double your money. and that's way better than any other hedge fund manager can do for you. So again, today I think it's up a little bit too much. Don't chase the stock. Let it come back a little bit down to 25, and if it's stabilized around 25, I would get in and enjoy the ride. Again, if it goes below here, this level, or below 24, I will get out, because if it might go down even more for unknown reasons. Again, hope you enjoyed this video and find value in it. If I missed anything, let me know. If you want me to cover something, let me know. Leave a comment. And if you can subscribe, that would be good, because I'm gonna make this kind of videos twice a week, and I can present stocks, biotech stocks that are pitfall free and have room to run 20-25% in the coming weeks. Again, hope you find value. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.